Most waxing results leave redness, irritation, or tiny visible marks. Imagine the skin looking completely untouched right after. Today, I'm revealing the zero trace method top professionals use every time. The secret isn't expensive products. It isn't even the wax itself. It comes down to a simple method that nearly everyone overlooks. Stick with me, because step 3 is where almost everyone makes a mistake. The zero trace method focuses on 3 essential steps. Step 1, preparation. Step 2, controlled application. Step 3, precise removal. When done correctly, the skin stays calm, smooth, and flawless, without visible stress. Step 1 begins with preparation. This is where the final result starts. Gently cleanse the area to remove oils and residue. Make sure the skin is completely dry and balanced, and avoid over-touching the skin. Less friction means less irritation. Next comes application. Precision is more important than speed. Apply the wax evenly, working in small, controlled sections. Always follow the natural direction of hair growth. This reduces resistance and keeps the process gentle on the skin. This is the step most people get wrong. Removal should be quick, yet controlled. Keep the motion close to the skin, not upward. Always support the skin with proper tension. That one detail is what prevents marks from forming. Aftercare locks in the flawless result. Use a soothing product to calm the skin. Avoid heat, friction, or irritation immediately after. Allow the skin to recover naturally. That's how you maintain a perfectly clean, untouched finish. If you want to master this method, watch it again. Focus on each step individually. Small details create flawless professional results every time. If this helped you understand the zero trace method, leave a like. It helps more people discover it. And if you want more professional techniques explained simply, stay connected.